Hi everyone! If you are watching this video, this means that you are in my pink reading group. And just like in our classroom, we're going to start our reading group with some flashcards. You guys remember how to do this. We're going to do our flashcard warm-up, and then we are going to do some of our PCI sight words. We're going to read some sentences and then read some books. So if you are ready to do your best learning and best thinking, I want you to touch your head. Are you touching your head? I hope so. Okay, everyone, get ready for our first word. This is the word. Do you say it? What word's this? Sunshine. Let's clap it out. Ready? Sunshine. Now, do that one more time, but this time do not say sun. Ready? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Shine. Did you guys do it? I hope so. Give yourself a pat on the back if you did. Our next word. Seashell. Let's clap it out. 1, 2, 3. Seashell. Again, do not say sea. Ready? Shell. Okay, here's our next one. Let's clap it out on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Backpack. Again, this time, do not say back. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Pack. My favorite one. Let's clap it out. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Rainbow. Again, this time do not say rain. 1, 2, 3. Bow. You guys are doing great. I feel like I can hear you all the way at my house. All right, here is our next one. Oh, it's upside down. What does this say? Say it louder. Loud enough so that I can hear you. Did you say ladybug? All right, let's clap it out. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Ladybug. Okay, one more time. This time, do not say lady. Ready? Bug. Ooh, we're starting to see lots of bugs outside. It is getting warmer. It's almost spring. All right, our last word is eggplant. Let's clap it out. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Eggplant. Again, this time do not say egg. 1, 2, 3. Plant. All right, now that we've started to think about words and the sounds that they make and how we can push letter sounds together to make words, we are ready to read our PCI flashcards. So, if you know this word, I want you to say it out loud. I want you to think it in your head, and I want to see if maybe you can say it before Miss Robin says it. All right, ready? This is the word fairy. These. Are you saying it too? I hope so. One more time. Did you say these? These. Up. Them. Give. Oh, that's something that's nice to do when we give things, huh? Give. Cow. All right, if you read those words with me, nice thinking. I am very proud of you, and you are so smart. All right, next one. If you know this set of words, I want you to say it out loud, think it in your head, definitely looking at the screen and see if you can say it before me. Ready? Us. After. What does that say? I want you to sound that one out. It. Sit. Time. Today. What is today? in here. Okay, if you read all of those words, I am very proud of you too. You are smart. Good reader, doing your best thinking and learning at home. Okay, here's our last set of flashcards. If you know these words, I want you to look at the screen. I want you to say it in your head and say it out loud. Try and say it with me. Ready? Do. Where? Where do you live?
Where do you live?
Green means go. You. Shop. To. Good job. Did you hear that? You guys are saying it so well that even my little son wants to say it with you. What? Have. And work. All right, that's it for our flashcards. So I want you to start getting ready to think about reading some sentences. Okay, now we're ready to read some sentences. So I want your eyes following along. If you can point at the words and read them along with me, or thinking them in your head. After we finish each sentence, I want you to think about what the sentence said and what it meant. All right, ready? Oh, and you all know these words. Okay, let's look at this first sentence right here, starting with the word where. Okay, get ready to read on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Where do I live? That's a question mark. That's a question. Where do I live? Miss Robin lives in Sandy, Utah. Where do you guys live? Okay, next sentence. See where the lake is. See where the lake is? Ah, it's over there. Have you guys ever been to a lake before? Okay, next sentence. Where is my farm? Where is my farm? Good question. Next sentence. As big as the ocean. Whoa, that's pretty big. Can you guys think of something that's as big as the ocean? Next sentence. This is our last one. I like this small town. You guys think of a time that you went to a small town? Oh, Miss Robin loves going to small towns. All right, nice job reading. If you guys followed along by looking at the screen, thinking of the words in your head and the sentences, what they meant, and maybe even reading it out loud, then give yourself a pat on the back. I'm very proud of you. We only have one job left. Okay, this is our last job. 2 books, but last job. So, if you read this book at school, I want you to follow along with me. Maybe see if you can say the words before I say the words. Think about the words, look at the pictures, and see how they connect to the words that you're reading. So, this book, we're talking about short A. Short A says, ah, ah, ah. Can you say that with me? Short A says, ah, ah, ah. So you're going to listen to some words that the middle sound is ah, like sand or crash or blast. All right.
I said class.
Good job. Okay. So this book is Meet Anakin. Oh, there's an ah sound already. This is Anakin. He lives in a flat land. There is a lot of, what's that word? That's right, sand. There's a lot of sand. Oh, I can see that in the picture. He can race a pod racer fast.
The end.
Anakin goes fast, fast, fast. But can he win a race? That's a question. Thumbs up or thumbs down. What do you think? Can he win a race? Many fans come to the race. The fans do not think Anakin can win. Oh, look at those fans. They're saying, I don't think you can win.
Mommy, I want to see. I can't see.
At last, the race begins. Anakin goes fast, fast, fast. What's that beginning sound?
What does Anakin mean?
Blasts over the sand.
Mommy, what does Anakin mean?
What does Anakin mean? Anakin is a character in the story.
No.
Who? Anakin.
Yeah.
He's a character. He's what the story's about. He's a boy. He blasts over the land.
And here's the credit card.
That's flashcards. Anakin races past the pod racers. There are blasts here. There are blasts there. Will Anakin crash? Oh, there's a question again. Is he going to crash?
He is.
You think so?
Yeah.
What do you think?
I think he's going to crash.
Many pod racers go too fast. Many pod racers crash. They hit the sand. Crash, smash, blast. It is the last lap. Can Anakin win the race? Will he smash? Anakin does not crash. He wins the race. Woohoo! Did you follow along and read some of the words with me? I hope so. Okay, our next story touch your head if this looks familiar. I have a couple students that are reading the title. Can you read it with me? In the castle. Oh, look at that princess. She lives in the castle. All right, I want you to follow along with me, looking at the words, thinking them in your head, looking at the pictures. If you're reading this book, you know all of these words. Ready? Cinderella is in the castle. She is riding. Oh, I wonder what she's riding. The king is in the castle. He is talking.
He didn't think he was going to win.
The cook is in the castle. He is...
The race.
What is he doing? He's cooking. The musicians are in the castle. They are playing. They're playing their instruments.
Mommy,
Gus
Mommy?
is in the castle.
Mommy,
He is jumping.
This
Oh,
one
that silly Gus.
almost broke like this.
That's okay. Jack is in the castle. He is eating. Ooh, what is he eating? Can you see? Did you say strawberries?
He's eating strawberries.
He sure is. What color are those strawberries?
Red.
Did you say red?
Yeah, I say red.
You're right. Okay. Last page. The prince is in the castle.
Wow.
He is dancing. The end. All right. Nice job participating in reading group. If you watched this whole video, then give yourself a pat on the back.